When a truck loses its brakes at full speed, disaster seems unavoidable. But on mountain highways, there's a lifeline designed to save lives: the escape ramp. These emergency lanes are built with deep gravel or sand, engineered to absorb massive amounts of force. As an out-of-control truck enters, the ramp slows it down rapidly, bringing it to a safe stop. Without these ramps, runaway trucks could cause catastrophic accidents, endangering countless lives. That's why drivers must always know where they are, and highway engineers make them highly visible along dangerous routes. Safety first. Truck drivers should always check brakes before every trip, avoid overloading, and stay alert on steep roads. One moment of carelessness can cost many lives. Escape ramps, the last defense between tragedy and survival. A terrifying moment was caught on dashcam in Louisiana. An electrical worker, busy in an intersection, was suddenly struck by a massive 18-wheeler making a left turn. The impact looked devastating, but miraculously he survived. Authorities confirmed the worker escaped with only minor scrapes and bruises. A shocking reminder of how quickly accidents can happen, even in routine jobs. This incident is now under investigation, but the lesson is clear. Always stay alert near heavy vehicles. Truck drivers must check blind spots carefully, and pedestrians or workers should never assume they're fully visible. 1 second of caution can prevent a lifetime of regret. Stay safe on the road, because every life matters. In a shocking incident inside a factory, a worker was nearly swallowed by a powerful shredding machine. Within seconds, his colleague noticed the danger and acted quickly, pulling him to safety and preventing a deadly accident. This quick-thinking response saved a life. But remember, accidents like these are preventable. Always follow factory safety rules. Never operate machinery without proper training. Keep a safe distance from moving parts.